Scene. Alex's shoes are broken. Mia accompanies him to a shoe repair shop to get them fixed. Alex, your shoe looks really bad. What happened?
I think the sole is coming off. See? It's almost completely detached.
Oh no, you can't walk around like that. You'll trip and fall.
Yeah, and I really like these shoes. They're comfortable. I don't want to throw them away.
Let's go to a shoe repair shop. Maybe they can fix it.
Good idea. I hope it won't take too long.
They enter the shop.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi, my shoe is broken. The sole is coming off. Can you fix it?
Let me take a look. Examining the shoe. Ah, yes. The sole needs to be glued and stitched back.
Can you also check the heel? It looks a little worn out.
Yes, the heel needs some polishing and repair. Do you want me to fix both?
Yes, please. How much will it cost?
The sole repair will be $10, and fixing the heel will be another $5. So a total of $15.
That sounds reasonable. How long will it take?
I can finish it by tomorrow afternoon. Will that be okay?
Can you fix it by tomorrow morning? I need to wear these shoes for work.
Let me see. Yes, I can do that. You can pick them up at 10 a.m.
That's great. Do you take cash or card?
We accept both.
I'll pay by card. Hands over the card.
After paying, they leave the shop. The next day, picking up the shoes. Alex, are you excited to get your shoes back?
Yeah, I hope they look as good as new.
Good morning. Your shoes are ready.
Wow, they look amazing. The sole is perfect, and the heel looks brand new.
They even polish them. Nice.
Yes, I polish them for free. A little extra care for my customers.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. They leave the shop, and Alex happily puts on his shoes. So, do they feel comfortable?
Yes, they feel just like new. I'm so glad we came here.
Me too. It's better to repair good shoes than buy new ones. It saves money and helps the environment.
That's true. From now on, I'll take better care of my shoes. Maybe I should polish them regularly.
Good idea. And if you ever need help, I can show you how to do it.
Thanks, Mia. You always know what to do.
That's what friends are for.